In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Mizumani, or 12 miles northwest of Mount Horeb, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sauk City, Mizumani, Black Earth, Barneville, Vane, Arena, Ridgeway, and Marksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the